डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसके पहले हम लोग केमिकल रिएक्शन में एक्सोथर्मिक, एंडोथर्मिक एंड डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन को देखें। आज हम और एक अलग प्रकार का एक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन देखेंगे, दैट इज रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन। सो दिस रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन इज because of two simultaneous reaction. In this first one is oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction, and its definition is a reaction in which addition of oxygen or loss of hydrogen, removal of hydrogen or loss of electron takes place is called known as oxidation reaction. So students, just pay attention. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, ये तीनों कंडीशन में से अगर एक भी कंडीशन फुलफिल हो रहा है तो ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन होगा। देखेंगे इसका एग्जाम्पल एक। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2Mg प्लस रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सीजन टू फॉर्म मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. Magnesium is added, oxygen is added, form magnesium oxide, so it is oxidation reaction. Second is carbon dioxide or coke is born in presence of oxygen, so it forms the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. So it is once again it is a oxidation reaction. Just see, on the basis of electron, by this reaction only, if I am converting into ion form, so it will become, students, Mg, and other side it has loss of electron, so it will become Mg plus 2. Here is loss of electrons, so it is the once again oxidation reaction. Magnesium, it loses its electron, become the positive ion form, so it is loss of electron is oxidation reaction. Okay students, now just see the other part, redox reaction में oxidation and reduction reaction. अब इसका जरा reduction reaction देखेंगे. reduction reaction, what is the reduction reaction? Same way, just reverse of this one, oxidation. Here is addition of oxygen, here will be the removal of oxygen. Removal of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen. Loss of electron, gain of electron. And such type of reaction is called reduction reaction. Now see definition: addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen or gain of electron is known as reduction reaction. Reduction reaction, here is three things: addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen and gain of electron. We will see some examples. So this is example of reduction reaction. Silver oxide to form silver and oxygen is removed. Removal of oxygen means reduction reaction. One more example, carbon react with hydrogen to form methane gas. Here carbon is added with hydrogen, so it is once again reduction reaction. Just see, based on the electron, either addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, or gain of electron. For gain of electron, same example I am taking, second one, gain of electron, it is carbon. Carbon, when it receives the electron gain, so it becomes the minus ionic form. So here, because of this minus, and it get attached with the electropositive hydrogen. So minus and plus it attached to forms the methane. Okay, so it is once again reduction reaction. Thus redox reaction means oxidation plus reduction, just redox. Now see, what is the redox reaction? Definition: a reaction in which oxidation reaction and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. We will see the examples here. Reduction, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction, both must be in the same chemical reaction. Now example, CuO plus Mg, it forms a metallic copper plus MgO. In this reaction, just pay CuO, this and this, CuO and Cu, removal of oxygen. So it is the removal of oxygen is reduction reaction. Okay, now see these parts, Mg and MgO, Mg to form MgO, it will become addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen means oxidation reaction. So reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously in the same reaction. So this is called the redox reaction. For electrons gain and loss way, we can see based on electron loss and gain. Now see, same reaction I am changing into ionic forms. So it will become Cu plus 2 plus Mg, it forms the metallic copper and ionic magnesium. Now here just see these parts, ionic copper, it gains the electrons and to form just metallic copper. So gain of electron means what? Reduction. While the other parts, metallic magnesium, it loss of electron loss takes place and become, because of the loss, so it become ionic form. So it is the oxidation. So students, we have learned some examples of oxidation, reduction and redox reaction, and thus all three reactions you do the homeworks and just show, and if you have any doubts please inform me, I will correct that, I will solve that. बट साइमल्टेनियसली आप सब लोग मेरे इस ऑनलाइन पाठशाला के जो भी ये वीडियो है इसको लाइक करें एंड बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाएं, क्योंकि मेरा जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो रहेगा आपको जानकारी मिल जाएगी। थैंक यू।